video, I will explain the statistics features of Eliminator Next Gen test tracks. This video applies to single and dual lane test tracks. Test track statistics can be accessed by touching the clipboard icon in the upper left corner of the test track race screen. Eliminator Next Gen test tracks save the last 10 runs recorded. The runs are listed from oldest to newest and can be viewed by sliding the scroll bar on the right side of the screen up and down. The statistics page only displays the times from enabled sensors. If a sensor is not enabled, it will not appear on the test track statistics screen. The Save button can be used to save the displayed runs to a statistics file. Up to 200 files can be created holding 10 runs each. When Save is pressed, the Eliminator Next Gen asks you to enter an 8-character name for the statistics file. If the file name already exists, you are asked if you would like to overwrite the existing file. Otherwise, a new file is created. When at least one file is stored on the Eliminator, the load icon appears in the upper left corner of the statistics screen. Touching the load icon brings up a list of all test track statistics files. The statistics files can be opened or deleted from the load screen. Cancel returns you to the current statistics screen. When Open is pressed, a statistics screen will appear showing all of the information stored in the file. When finished viewing the file, tap Close to return to the current statistics screen. The Clear button deletes all current statistics. Once cleared, the data cannot be recovered. The Clear button does not affect run data that is stored in a file on the Eliminator. For dual lane test tracks, the statistics saved include the run number, lane, entry number, dial-in or handicap, reaction time, mile per hour or kilometers per hour, and elapsed time. The winning lane is indicated in green. For single lane test tracks, the statistics saved include the run number, lane, entry number, reaction time, vehicle reaction time, 60-foot, mid-track elapsed time, mile per hour or kilometers per hour, and elapsed time. When all sensors are enabled, a scroll bar appears along the bottom of the page to allow you to scroll and view all the times. The Return button returns you to the test track race screen. Thank you for watching this video on Eliminator Next Gen test track statistics. Check out portertree.com for more videos on Eliminator Next Gen test tracks.